All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy Sunday to every single one of you, and welcome to the Super Sunday Call with James Ochima. As it is in our tradition as a family and as a community of online entrepreneurs or digital entrepreneurs, as you like to call it, we are very much interested in day trading, and we are looking out for solutions and ways to help anyone and everyone who wants to learn about day trading, who wants to learn about building a business around day trading, which encompasses CFDs and futures. You know, I've been in this game for over 10 years, and for me, it's not just a passion, it's not just a business, it's more of a calling. Because I can remember more than 10 years ago, I had what I believe to be a divine revelation to focus on these aspects of career. And I'm very, very sure that my fulfillment comes from this thing that I'm doing. So it's far beyond just making money online, trading and making money, making profits. It's more than that. It's just like a calling to me. I feel very happy. I feel very excited. I travel all around the world as far as I can most at times. And it gives me so much joy to just help people understand what they need to do to succeed in this market. And just as you know, many times a coach may not be as rich as the students or as the players. Let me put it that way for you to understand easily as the players. But without the coach, the players find it difficult to really do well. So I think I have seen myself grow in this industry over the decade to be like a coach. As so many people who we have worked together in the last decade have even been more richer than me, have succeeded financially, that they have made crazy amount of money more than myself, that taught them and brought them to the game. And funny enough, I'm so excited when I even get to meet them, when I see them, when I do things with them. I'm like, wow, this guy learned from you. But see, this guy is driving a G-Wagon. Oh, this guy is driving a Benz. Oh, this guy is living in a mansion. Oh, this guy is now in so country, and he learned everything he knew from me from the market. It's exciting, and that by no means says that I am not making money. I am super rich. You don't have an idea. My wealth is really calculated in number of people that benefit in me more than the amount of cars or houses that I buy. However, I'm comfortable, I'm financially stable, I'm enjoying my life, I'm living my best life, I'm improving every day, courtesy of this market. And in this community, we have been, exposing people to different solutions, different methods, different strategies, different partnerships for people to be able to utilize and fasten their journey. You know, we are in the days of AI where everything needs to be done faster. If you be able to travel from Abuja to America, it takes like 12 hours. But if you use a supersonic jet, if there is something like that, it will take you less than an hour to be in America. So, and if there's any technology like that, I tell you, we want to exploit. So, you don't want to be doing the same thing in the 1965 way. You want to be doing things innovatively with the help of AI, with the help of solution, with the help of innovation, good thinking. So for me, I go out there every day, I interact with people, I attend courses, I go to seminars, I go to conferences, I listen to big, big mentors. I get to find out opportunities and ideas that will help the ordinary man on the streets. Because every day when I come back to the streets, this is the streets. YouTube, live on YouTube is the streets. On my Zoom call is a street. On my WhatsApp group is a street. On my Instagram handle is a street. That's a street. That's a digital street. So when I go to the street, I see people struggling from several obvious small, small things, challenges. And because I've been able to get these solutions to their problem, so they find solace in coming to me. Say, James, what do I need to do? I have only $100 and I want to buy social solution. I say, no, 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 no. If you have $100, you can't buy this, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do that. You can only do like this. This is how you go. And you can't make XYZ. Otherwise, this is the risk you. So I get to help people understand the risks involved and how best to maximize that little that they may have. Some people have a lot of money. I've ever seen somebody who came to me at Radisson Blue Victoria Island, one of my conference, and she said she has $5,000. She's currently in America now, in Texas, Madam Abibat. She said, James, I have $5,000 now. I want to use it for this business. I just finished the presentation. I was just coming out. I want to use it for this business. But I said, before I deposit it. I want to tell you first. I said, no, madam, you can't put $5,000. Do you know how to trade? Have you ever done trading before? So you can't do $5,000. What you are going to do is $1,000. And when you do this $1,000, you are going to watch it for the next 3 weeks, and every week you are going to make withdrawal. After you are done withdrawing for 3 weeks, you now have the confidence that this in and out work. At that point, you don't need to ask me. You will tell yourself you want to scale. And that's how we ended that conversation. Imagine me refusing to collect a commission, because when she does a $5,000 let's say investment now, deposit on her account, I'm going to benefit because somehow my affiliate is connected to what she's doing. But I told her, no, that's not the best idea. That's not the best way to go. And for me, as a coach and as a mentor, I don't really care. I don't really mind how much I'm going to make when you get involved or when you don't get involved. But if I know your true situation as a trader or as a business person in the CFD, and you ask for my expertise advice, many a times I've been in your shoes, because I've been here for 10 years. I've seen a lot. I've seen the bitter side. I've seen the good part. I've seen the sweet part. I've seen the fast lane. I've seen the slow lane. So many of the things you may want to do are things that I've done over and over and over again. I'll tell you that, bro, this is the danger of what you are trying to do. This is what you might encounter. This is what possible problem you might have. Why not do it like this? Why not do like that? So that way it helps you to do it a lot much better. Today is not going to be anything different. I want to try to cut down the introduction and go straight to the point. We have something we have been exploring for some months now. Is it a month and some weeks, which is actually called GIFU. I will not want to go back to start giving you A to Z about GIFU today, because I have done that already on my TikTok page. If you go to my TikTok page at James Ochima, you will see more than enough explanation on what exactly we are doing on GIFU. I've taken my time to document my experience on GIFU, the results of my trade, the use of the scanner, the packages, the people that run GIFU, even the chief education officer of GIFU, like the top most trader of GIFU. What's his name again? Nick Gomez. I brought him to our Zoom call and I interviewed him. You know, we were able to interact together with him. So, and all those conversations are there on my TikTok page. So you can take time to just go through it, how to use the scanner, how to register on GIFU, how to use the signals, how to trade live, or how to trade live together on GIFU. What is the win rate? Because one of those days we traded live on by 2:30 with Jason Brahan, and it was an 80 pips profit move. And we do that every day by 2:30 with Jason Brahan, every day. I think excluding Fridays and Monday, right? But every other day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, live trading 2:30 on GIFU, Jason Brahan. He usually trade US 30. If there's no position there, he will do NASDAQ. There's no position there, he will do gold. But for the past 12 times we have traded live with Jason Brahan, it has always been US 30. And only one time we had a loss. Like out of 12 or 13 trades, we took loss once. Every other time it has been entry, take profit, entry, take profit, 50 pips, 80 pips. Only market open. 30 minutes we are done trading with him. So you can go and check my TikTok. You will see that experience, and you see several other stuffs I have there on my TikTok, as well as my Instagram, as my Instagrams too. I did not put so much on my Instagram as per what we are doing on GIFU per se. By the way, Marisa introduced me to GIFU, and Marisa is from the US, and today she's parking. She's relocating from where she's staying, from Wisconsin. She's going to I don't know whether she's going to Western Texas or something like that. So she's very busy. She couldn't join us on the call. But definitely next week she'll be on the call. Why I came to Instagram was to show you my Instagram handle is over 20K now. Please, guys, go and follow me on Instagram. What you will see here mostly on Instagram is the vision, what we are trying to build. We are building a community, cutting across universities, various campuses, various places, traveling here and there, meeting people. And, you know, that's what we're trying to do. You will see more of that on my Instagram handle. The vision, the people we are meeting, the people we are building, the places we are going, traveling, we are doing the next event and all of that. You'll see more of that on Instagram. Our events, our seminars, our classes, you'll see most of those kind of interaction. Right now, we are even setting up a trading academy in Abuja by next month, before the end of this month. Everything is almost set. We're at the final stage. So you'll be seeing more of trading floor. We trading with people live in Abuja. We'll do the same thing in Lagos, in Port Harcourt. So we want to do, so all of that kind of thing, you will see that on the Instagram. Don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me. I just want everybody to be carried along because we have some new people here. So Jifu, when we discover Jifu and what Jifu has, typically it's more of access to travel for almost free. Like if you are traveling, you pay your hotel bill, you pay your flight fee, you rent your cars for almost free because you use the Jifu platform. Your discount is going to be very far from somebody who just go and pay straight from the main platform of an airline, Delta Airline or whatever airline you want to use, or a Marriott Hotel or Nile Hotel. I don't know which kind of luxury hotel you want to use, or you want to rent a Lamborghini when you travel to Dubai. Use the Jifu platform, you get it for almost free. So that's one of the things Jifu does. Another one again is, like I said earlier, okay, I mentioned the travel now. Another one again is the scanner. I will not talk about the scanner because of time. I have so many new updates I want to share, so I will not talk about the scanner today. Go on my TikTok, just scroll the first 5 videos, you will see the scanner. So you will see all the explanation about the scanner. Very, very crazy. It's very good for people who flip accounts. It's used for extreme precision confirmations, especially when markets open, London session, New York session, and news trading. So you want to use this scanner because it's going to give you precise entry, exit, momentum, information. So all those changing time frame, doing analysis, drawing line, you don't need to do it. Everything has been factored out into the scanner, the use of AI. It's like somebody driving a Volkswagen 1986 model. It's still a car. It can take you to Jos from Abuja. But how about an AMG G63 G-Wagon? My brother, you only press button, the car will be driving you to. How about a Tesla? So Technologia can make you travel to Jos from Abuja very easy, smooth. You will not even feel the gallop. Whereas you are using 1983 Volkswagen manual, you'll be changing gear. You change like 63 gears before you get to Abuja Junction. You get tired and stressed before you get to you have muscle pull on the road. So that's why it is when a trader is trading manually without the use of trading tools. Manual trading is stressful. It's like dinosaur. They are all gone extinct. No trader trade manual again. Every trader now automates. You find a way to make your trading easier by the using of tools. Now, one disadvantage of tools, let me say this. One disadvantage of tools is that tools are expensive. If you spend money to buy tools and you don't have account to trade with the tools, what's that benefit? Somebody is asking for my TikTok handle. Take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. There's no time to do all of those TikTok handle stuff. Take a screenshot, then find me on TikTok. It's simple. You don't need a link. Take a screenshot, then find me on TikTok. That's all. So back to what I was saying. I was talking about the importance of having trading tools. Not having trading tools is like being a dinosaur in this market. You are extinct. You are extinct. You have gone extinct. Every trader must look for trading tools to make their trading easy. Those things you are doing manually can be done automatically. So automate them. Somebody type automate in the chat box. Go to the chat box and type automate. Somebody go to the chat box, type automate. We have passed the stage of trading everything. It's good to learn how to drive with manual. If you don't know how to drive with manual, when you automatic have problem, you will still be in problem. So I'm not saying manual is not good. Trading naked chart on your own without tool, I'm not saying it's bad. Guys, I want to see automate in the chat box. If you don't want me to continue, I'll just stay here and be waiting for the automate on the chat box. I need you guys to be with me. You want to rush me to say some certain things, but I want to carry you gradually to get to where we are going. If the purpose of 18 is not known, abuse is inevitable. I'm trying to carry everybody along to understand the purpose of the decision we are taking. So please, you need to go to get out. flow together with me. I'm the one with the mic. I'm the pastor of this church today. So if I say type automate, let everybody go to the chat box. Just be typing it like rain. Thank you. So if you refuse to automate, you are somebody who can say you are a dinosaur trader. You have gone extinct. You need to automate. Anything you are doing on this market can be automated. Anything. It makes your life easy to do other things. It's good to learn manual. It's good to start with manual. Because without the manual, the automation, you have problem, you don't know what to do. I'm a student pilot. I learned how to fly in a textbook. I learned on YouTube. I've attended, simulation courses. I've written small PPL exam. But I've been in the cockpit. Inside the cockpit is totally different from everything you have learned in the book and studied on YouTube. Because that time, your psychology is in play. That time, you are now having the real situation. You are now in the air. Any smoke, you know what is at stake. Not only you, the entire crew is at stake. So it's good to have manual. Now, if you are flying as a pilot, then you are using a modern Boeing 7 or Boeing 900. That one is automated. It's just button, and you are off. Button, you are down. Almost everything there is button. It's different from the Jaguar, Boeing 737 Max 8. You will lift this up. You will hold this. You will hold it. The activity is much. So, but let me tell you the truth. If you have problem with any of the buttons at auto, you need that's your manual sense to come back and fix those things and keep moving. If you lose one of your engines, you need that your manual sense. So that is why we need to balance it. In as much as you are automating stuff, you need to also learn manual. Then you join the two of them together. Then Signal. Signal is part of automation. Tap to trade, that part of automation. Sometimes the reason we send Signal is not because you don't know how to trade. The time it will take you to discover the support turn resistance on Euro USD. Somebody else have seen that and I've already sent it to you. So all you need to do is to confirm the signal and then take your trade. So you don't have to go and be checking what's happening on USD JPY, what's happening on Euro JPY, what's happening on gold. I want to trade these three assets, but I'm focusing on gold. Why something is happening on Euro USD? So the signal service is going to help you, prompt you. Oh, there's signal on Euro JPY. That's one of my pair. I want to trade it. Let me see what the guy is saying. So you see it. Oh, this idea, it's my idea. I like this idea. So I'm going to go in. So he has saved you the time of skipping that one or going to check what's happening there. So one of the use of Signal is not because you don't know how to trade. Then if you don't know how to trade, Signal also helps you to show you entry, exit, stop loss, take profit to make money faster instead of you trying to analyze and pick your direction by yourself. So Signal is very important. If you get reliable signals with high win rates, please go ahead and pay for them. Go ahead and pay for them. They are very, very important and very, very useful. One other thing again is Scanner Signal Live Trade. Most of those traders come live and trade with us on this GFU platform. From 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even up to 7 o'clock. They trade live with us on GFU. So which better way can you learn how to trade apart from being in the same room where the trader is trading, calling the trade and talking to you while he's calling the trade, chatting with you, discussing with you, talking about the trade, calling the position, explaining the analysis, you are asking him questions, and both of you are trading at the same time. That's the best way to learn how to trade. Anything better than that will be that you and the trader are inside the same room, face to face, which is what I am trying to create next month in Abuja. And when we test it in Abuja, it works fine. We'll do it in Lagos, we'll do it in Port Harcourt. Beyond just Zoom call, we want to create an atmosphere where people can come together for just 1 hour, for just 30 minutes, for just 20 minutes, trade together, make profit, and everybody go their way. It's like a trading hub, right? So we got a space for it. We got facilities already for it. We got the website already for it, guys. I'll share the announcement from next month. You'll see that we've really completed it. It's just to announce it. And people in Abuja will start coming every day. Book your time, come every day. Of course, it's not going to be free, right? Book your time every day, come. You use all our tools, use our gadgets, use our internet, use our tools, use our scanner, use our signal, use everything. Just come with your phone I just enter the trade and make profit and go. For 20 minutes, you are done. Right? If you don't know what to do, when you come, we'll teach you what to do. If you don't know how to set stop loss and take profits, how to move your asset to break even, how to download MT5, how to connect your MT5 to your broker, how to install this, how to fund that, how to withdraw. If you come, we'll show you how to do it. Face to face, no longer online all the time. We have to do face to face classes every day. So we are setting up that hub. We have already set up a hub in Abuja at it's Novera Mall, as Use Zone 5. So we are setting that of Port Harcourt very soon. Then we want to test Abuja on for some time to be sure that it's working according to what we want. Then we'll now do Port Harcourt on exactly how it is in Abuja. Then we'll now do Lagos. Then we'll now do Accra. Then we'll now do Kenya continuously like that. We have networks in all these places. So with all of that being said, as last month we started using Handtech instant funded account to help people acquire more capital to trade. We started using Handtech instant funded account to help people acquire more capital to trade, because I noticed that many people, when they want to trade, they say they have only $100. So when you have only $100, I don't advise you to just start trading that $100, because risk management becomes very difficult when you are trading $100. So instead of you to trade with $100 and lose the money, I advise you to buy instant funded account. Pay $73 on Handtech platform. They will give you instant funded account of $2,000. So instead of you using $100, you're now using $2,000. So that was the idea. And while we were doing that last month, ladies and gentlemen, as interesting as it could be, a lot of people in our team bought this account. You can see I even earned over $400 in commission, only commission, not my training. To tell you that a lot of people bought this account in various forms, page 1, page 2, page 3, they bought this account. So while people were buying all these accounts, I was asking everybody their challenges, what are their loopholes, what are the problems they have. In fact, I even traveled to Lagos to meet with the broker representative at the Lagos office. I met with Mr. Mike, I met with Mr. Sheung. I did a video, I sent to you guys. And when I was there, I made some inquiry with them and I asked them a lot of questions. And I also made some suggestions too. Several suggestions. I can remember I came back to the Zoom call and I was telling you some of the suggestions I made. And they told me that they were going to fix those suggestions. They were going to do it, because without those suggestions, we cannot build this kind of business as a community. We can only use it as individuals. For me, I have several of these accounts, instant funded. I'm currently trading them and I'm in profit. One of my friends showed me his account yesterday. My very close friend, he bought $25,000 account and he showed me he's in profit of over $400. I'm so excited when I see my people in profit, because we work as a community more. So there's nothing bad, nothing wrong with this. But however, I have collected all the feedbacks that we have gotten from our team who are using Handtech, and I've sent those feedback to the owners of the broker, telling them that they need to fix these things so that we can build easily as a team. For example, on the CRM, they do not allow us to see customers who are buying, who are registering. They only allow us to see people who buy accounts, and that's not really good for the team. That's one. That's really not good at all. And they admitted that they were going to fix that and solve it. This is over 3 weeks plus. I'm still waiting for that feedback so that we can really use that Handtech market very well in our community. I love Handtech because they are 35 years in this business, right? So if a broker is 35 years old, they have a long reputation to keep. So they don't want to mess with your $5,000, your $20,000, right? Their marketing office is in Dubai, while their financial head office is at London. So it's a very big broker, right? Then another very important thing again was the fact that as a community, we thrive more when we make affiliate commissions in the team and help other people to make that commission too. One of the fastest way I have learned how to work in the last 10 years is to help people in my team to make money without trading. If you listen carefully and if you watch my Instagram, that's what I usually hammer most of the time. How can you make money as a trader? How can you make $1,000 every day without you placing a trade? Without your trading account? If you cannot be able to figure that out, CFD market will deal with you a lot and you will not last long in these markets. I repeat, as a retail trader, listen to these secrets. If you learn how to trade, you master how to trade, you have an account to trade. I don't care how much account you have. Because 2 days ago, one of my friends who runs a broker, a very big broker, I wanted to mention his name, but I don't want to mention his name again because we are streaming live. He told me, he runs a broker. He told me he was in a drawdown of $20,000 on gold. And I said, when this thing gets to that support, it will reverse and I'll be back in profit. So why would I close my trade in drawdown of $20,000? Do you know what $20,000 is? So I said, okay, let me leave this trade and just enter office and come back. 10 minutes gap. When he came back, that drawdown of $20,000 puts this entire account on negative. -0, negative. He lost $50,000 within 10 minutes of holding a drawdown that was reading $20,000. Hoping that a support will hold it. He lost the account. So what am I saying? I'm saying simply that this is a market that anything can happen to you, right? So if you are using such kind of a broker and you are only depending on the money you are making as a trader, one day, just like my friend who runs a broker lost $50,000, you will lose, I don't care your capital, you will lose it. I don't care the amount of your capital. I assure you one day you will lose. Something will lead to something that will lead to something and you lose that money. In his own case, I am very sure what led to it was airstrike between Iran and Israel, which is not documented in the market. So it just happens and the market responds to it. You get it? So you can just catch your position. I think one of those days too, I lost $19,000. The other one too, the other account, $1,000. Together about $20,000 during that retaliation strike, Iraq, America. So I was on the wrong side of the market when it happened. So before I could get out, I was seeing massive drawdown. And the same thing, I said, let me just wait small. This thing is going to major support. That major support never came back. Oh. It scattered the major support. It kept going until the account was blown. I just say, if that is part of major support, if it does not retrace, no problem. I leave the account to go. I was just watching the account to go. So that's it. So what am I saying? I'm still emphasizing that no matter how much you are trading, as a trader, if you depend only, as a day trader, if you depend only on your trading account, you will soon be out of business. One day you will lose it. One day you will lose it. So what you must do is to find out ways you can make money. Number one is community. That's why I see traders selling their signal, building academy, creating group, sharing their link. This is for that reason. It's for the days that we did not plan for. The unforeseen circumstances can happen to you. You will fall back to your commission. You will fall back to your rebate. You will fall back to your, all those fees, all those, they will bring you back to the market again. That one is not hard-earned money. That one is soft money. The money comes from leveraging on other people's efforts. So you don't want to, Mr. Shagan is asking about SA. SA is a natural thing that we all put to teach people how to use SA. But there are times in this market, I'm saying there are extreme times where something can happen to you. With you and your SL and everything you still lose money in the market. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not saying it happens every day, right? I use SL. I always tell people to use SL too, but there are times in this market you will not know what happened. You just find out that you actually made a loss upon all what you know, right? So when that time comes, what saves you is other businesses you have put inside the market. Now, let me say this. If you are a trader and you now have a cement shop, you are selling cement, or you now have real estate, you are selling houses. If you lose your money from trading, you will not want to use your money from real estate to come and put in your trading account. You will not want to do that because you feel you are killing that business. So, but if you are a trader, you are also making money selling signal. You are also making commission and rebates. You are also selling. You also have mentees that are paying you money for academy. So you are making money from the business of trading and from affiliates. Anytime you blow your account, you will feel so free to just move money from your affiliate account into your trading account and fund. This evening, I funded one of my accounts. I funded my account in one of the new brokers we were testing, this tag market. I didn't touch my own personal fund. I just moved money from my Exness account. I just withdraw it to my Bybit and from my Bybit to the tag account, tag market account. I didn't have to spend money from my pocket. And the money I moved, in fact, I just logged into Xnest and I noticed that I have commission that I did not even withdraw. So let me just use that commission, add some small money I have left on my account that I made profit last week, and move it to my tag market account to test that new broker, the services we have there. So these are the benefits of having downline, sharing your link, building businesses. In case anything happens to your own business, you can use that business to cover up. In conclusion, our time is fast spent. So one of my mentors, would I call him a mentor or a friend, or would I call him a senior person in the industry? Anyway, he's all of that. He's all of the above. He's a mentor, he's a friend, he's a senior person. He has been in this industry longer than I. So I went to his office to make inquiry for our trading floor because they already told me the cost of the place. So I wanted to talk with him and chat with him. Then he wasn't picking the call. So I now went to his Instagram, Telegram group to see if he is active. And I saw he posted something about tag. I said tag markets. He now posted a replica. No, not replica. He said an alternative to prop firm. So I now read I read the offers. I laughed. I said, this is not true. It's not possible. This thing cannot be done. But this guy cannot post rubbish because I've followed him for years, for many years. I've been following this guy for more than 6 years. He cannot post rubbish. He's an advanced, highly respected trader. His community is not all those hyping community. No. He's a in fact, he was one of the awardees, award recipients at our last award event. So I knew that, I need to study this thing. If this guy will post this thing on his community VIP group, I'm there. So I need to study this thing. So I just forgot about it. I didn't ask him. I didn't talk anything. I didn't click the link. I didn't go to the website. I just left it alone. Until I was in a call with another top trader again that we're discussing that, okay, if we start the academy in Abuja that is interested, or he would like to play a certain role, he would like to be coming to help people, just like extra hands coming to help. And he's a very big trader. He has traded for over 20 years. If I mention his name, a lot of you will know him. So he now told me, James, there's a broker that started, not a new broker anyway, but they started a new system, better than better than Axie, better than several other ones. He mentioned names. Axie is a reputable broker. That's why I mentioned their name. They have a very, very exciting prop firm business. So he told me that this prop firm started something better than Axie. I said, yes, bro. We live in an innovative world. Everybody here, they catch fire. People are thinking of the next innovation to bring in that will make them stand out of their competitors. Especially if they are new, they want to make things easy so that more traders will come to them. That kind of a thing. And if something like that is happening, we as business people in the industry, we need to take advantage and be in the front seat when that thing is happening so that thing will happen under us, not happening and we are hearing about it. So he now explained the thing to me. And I said, anyways, I've seen so person posted this thing. So let me go back to this person and check. Ladies and gentlemen, that was how I started investigating this thing. I investigated from everywhere normal you and I could have gone to get all the information I needed to get. I got across to their support chat, chatted extensively with their support chat, and got all the information I needed. Then I also got connected through one of my friends to somebody that, represents the broker. I say he was going to take me to meet with him on Monday or Tuesday like that. So no problem. We'll set that meeting later. So, but when I went through the package, that they are not going to ask you for any trading condition. I say, this is a solution for all traders. So traders are currently tired of prop firm rules. When instant funded accounts came in, we thought that was the biggest breakthrough. But then it also had one of the annoying rule in instant funded accounts for me is 3-minute rule. Can somebody go to the chat box and tell me what is the most annoying rule in instant funded account that you have ever used or in prop firm that you have ever used? What is the most annoying rule for you as a trader? I found out by research and by feedbacks from all my community members. The problem is not that they cannot use funded accounts or prop firm, but their problem is their rules. The rules are annoying, unavoidable. There's a way of just let's put that thing. That these are demons that you cannot do away with. They are giving you several things that you cannot but just abide by it. Somebody say consistency rule. It doesn't like consistency rule, but it doesn't have a choice because that's the best you can get in the market. So this broker say no consistency rule. Somebody say not allowing me to trade news. This broker say you are free, go and trade your news. Can somebody give me another rule? 6% daily drawdown. It's very, very tiny. It's very small. Even when I went to Lagos, I suggested to this broker, I say 6% is too small. Please increase it to 8. This broker say 10%. And it is not like daily drawdown. It's your total drawdown. There is no daily drawdown. Can somebody give me another rule again? Number of position to hold per time. Of course, that depends on your account now. That one is not part of a rule. Your account will determine the number of position you can hold. Number of position have to do with the lot size and the number of position you open. If you have a very big account and you want to open plenty position, just be using 0.01. You open as many as you can, right? So that is not even part of the rule, right? It's not even part of a rule. It's something that traders look. Payout cap. Say you cannot make more than 10% of the amount they gave you. Okay, if they're giving you $10,000, you cannot make more than $1,000. Any day you make more than $1,000, that account has expired. You have to buy a new account. That is painful. But many traders cannot do anything other than just to manage it. In the absence of the crocodile, the lizard will take position. But when the crocodile comes, you throw it the lizard, you throw it away. So there's nothing like that. This broker say nothing like that. There is no cap. You can earn any amount you want to earn, withdraw any amount you want to withdraw. This man say monthly or 2 weeks withdrawal. Say, okay, you cannot withdraw your profits until after 7 days. That's the best we saw so far. Other ones say after 14 days. Some say after 15 days. Some say after 1 month. But this broker say, if you trade this morning, you can withdraw the money this morning. If the market opens this night and we trade, we can withdraw from our trading this night. Just like normal broker. That's what this broker have said. Somebody now said, profit cap. If you make more than 10% of your capital, you will forfeit the rest. Can you imagine? Nothing like that on this broker. They removed that rule. Please, guys, can you give me more rules that you know are frustrating to traders? Unfavorable profit sharing. Some people say 75-35. Some people say 90-10. Say, but if you want 90-10, you have to pay extra money. Here, there's nothing like profit sharing. In this broker, any profit you make, so far it's more than $50, you can withdraw it. Their minimum deposit is $50. Their minimum withdrawal is $50. The reason is simple. They use third-party payment gateways. So if you are withdrawing $10, you are going to stress them from paying profit, deposit, and withdrawal. But over time, when the broker becomes very big, they will have their own payment processors by themselves. So they will not need to be paying those charges for withdrawals and deposits. So they can even process a withdrawal and a deposit of $10 or less. In fact, there are brokers that process, XNEX process a withdrawal of $10, a deposit of $5. It's processed on XNEX. The reason is because XNEX has everything in the entire ecosystem of CFD. They have everything. So they are not paying for the cost of withdrawal. They're not paying for this. They're not paying for anything. So they can afford to do all those processes without even collecting. Somebody say, profit share, there's no profit sharing in this broker. Can you give me another rule you think is frustrating and is painful, and traders are dealing with such rules in funded accounts, in evaluation account? There is no evaluation account here. It's just trade your live account. So, you see, you guys have run out of rules that are painful. All those rules have been abolished on this broker. They have all been abolished. So you just come in here. Somebody is requesting that I should show them how to get the account. It's a broker. So you can actually go create accounts and you could create a demo account and trade. You create a demo account cents, you create a demo account US dollar, create a demo account pro, a zero demo account, zero spread, Islamic demo, ratio 1 to 500. You could create a real account. You create a real account. You create a real account and trade normally as a broker, US cents. I usually advise cents for people who don't have plenty money. Trade with cent accounts and do your thing, right? You create a US dollar account, 1:10, 1:30, 1:50, 1:500. Trade with it, right? A live account, a pro account, a zero account, Islamic account. The difference are just spread and commissions and all of those things. This pro has the smallest commissions. Why this other one have no commission? Zero and Islamic do not have commission on them. Do not have spread on them. I beg. The trading commission is just very, very tiny. Then you could just fund your wallet. You could fund your wallet right in here. Just like I have funded my wallet because we are streaming live. I have to just keep it close. I don't want to scare anybody or excite anybody. So after funding your wallet, you could just come here and come to Amplify. When you come to Amplify, you are not creating an account. You are requesting for them to give you a funded account after you have funded your wallet. So from the wallet where you have funded, you now say, okay, I have funded $500, for example. So I'll type $500 here. Say input the deposit amount to create your 12x amplifier account. So once you input that, the next thing is instantly start trading and withdraw profit. That's all, nothing again. Just remember, don't lose 10% of the total balance they have given you. That is all. Nothing like, what are the rules? What do I need to avoid? What do I need to... Nothing. Only 3 steps. Number 1, input the amount you want them to 12x. Number 2, start trading and start withdrawing. Number 3, don't lose 10% of the total amount given to you. If you lose 10% of the total amount given to you, you have breached the funding. It's like angel investor. I'm giving you $100 million, so don't lose $10 million. Any day you lose $10 million, I will confiscate the remaining accounts. It's no longer for you anymore. So that's all they are saying. And that's the only way you can curtail. And that's the only way you can curtail aggressive. So that's it. So if you just click create here, that's it. All. So if you just click create here, that's all. And then from there, you see you have active account. If your account is violated, you see it's now called deactivated accounts, right? So that's how to do that thing. Then very, very importantly, the one that excites me a lot is the fact that all these stories I've told you about how we started this business started on Friday night. I actually registered on Saturday night. So I am less than 24 hours in this broker. Look at my screen, ladies and gentlemen. I've been sharing my link since the last 24 hours till now. Look at my screen. How many people have registered? How many people have registered so far in the last 24 hours? Please, if you are seeing my screen, tell me how many people have registered. How many people have registered? Nobody's seeing my screen. 60 within the last 24 hours. Now, why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because these guys have set up what we call multi-level. When you create your account, you do your KYC, You have access to your partner area where you have your affiliate link, affiliate marketing. You are using this account, you like it, you want people to use it, or you want people to explore it, people who have need for something like this, you give them your link. As people are using your link to register and create their own account, oh boy, that is a lot of money coming your way. Oh, I have a friend in Kaduna that makes $4,000 every day using systems like this, affiliate commission. You didn't hear me by mistake. I didn't say $400. I say $4,000 US dollars every blessed day. He's my friend. I know him. We have worked together. I've been to his house several times. I've even gone to him and sat down and said, teach me how you were able to do this thing. And he showed me everything he did. And I will tell you what he did. So if you are earning $4,000 daily on only commission, people using your link to trade, to register and trade, bro, what kind of flipping of account won't you do? What kind of lifestyle won't you like to live? What kind of activity won't you like to run in this market? It's possible. So people, my people, pay attention to affiliates. No matter who you are, no matter how busy you are, find a way to create a business in affiliates. It gives you a lot of money you did not work for. When you see the Bible say that you convert, you earn money you did not work for, you convert the wealth of the Gentiles, that is what it's talking about. You have to set the platform for that conversion that Bible talk about to bring money you did not work for you. The only work you did was just to share your link to people who are using your link to trade. Apart from that, when they are trading, you are earning commission. Now, all these people you see me circle here, they use my link. Let me say, I think the last time I checked is about 40 people that use my link. Let me not exaggerate, about 40. The last time I checked. I'll still show you guys so you see what I'm saying. So for example, I started 24 hours ago, and about 40 people used my link to set up this account. So on everybody who is buying accounts and trading, every one standard lot you trade, the broker will pay me. It's negotiable. Actually, they usually start paying from $4. It's negotiable. As you build the business, depending on how big you are in the industry, your influence, then your work level, then the number of people in your team, then they can negotiate this first level all the way up. They can raise it to $5 per standard lot. They can raise it to $6, $7 per standard lot. It depends. So, but they usually start from 4 or even 3. So, but let's just use example with 5. Say they are paying you $5 per lot. This is what so many brokers do, and they end it here, no matter how hard you work. Or they can increase this first level to $10 per lot or $12 per lot. On Naga, I am paid $12 per lot. On XNext, I'm paid about $7 per lot. On Hantech funded account, there is no rebate, it's just commission. On which other broker I can remember again? I think these are just a few I can remember right now. Deriv, on Deriv, I'm paid about, there's no lots there, but compared to others, I can just say $10, right? I earn from Deriv too. Then which other broker again I want to mention? On Infinox. On Infinox, I earn $8 per lot, which they are telling me that I have qualified. They are going to review it and upgrade me to $10 per lot. But they will stop there. They will stop there. That's my point. This broker have innovated this thing and included our MLM system to this stuff, which I can remember another broker that did this thing was Star Trader in Dubai. That broker was introduced to me by Dakwa Willis, and I met with these guys, very nice guys. Mr. John is the director. They have a multi-level system. It's very nice and sweet. But I didn't know why we didn't do business with them again. However, these guys have that system. Let's say this is Anekan. Anekan is a bulldozer in this industry. I know him very well. Anekan decided to introduce, after this Zoom call, he shared his link to get traders. Please don't go. I will tell you how to get traders. I'm not somebody that will tell you, this is what you need to do, get this money, go and do it. No, I don't do that. It doesn't work. After showing you what you need to do, I will show you how you can do it. And I also show you how I am doing it, so that you not leave this place blinded. You not say, oh, I don't have money to start. With $0, you can start this business. With $0. So don't go. If your battery is down, look for power bank and plug it. Get your writing material. What I'm teaching you will change your life forever. If you understand this thing. One of my friends in London, his name is Victor. I've lost contact with him. He used to be the director for Vantage. He makes $1 million every month from this thing I'm showing you. 1 million. I don't. It was Aneka that said fucking dollars. Aneka, the guy makes $1 million fucking dollars every month in this thing I'm showing you. So there is money in this thing. So don't joke with it. Aneka can do, let me say, 30 people in 1 week. There's no timeline. If you like, do it in 2 years. Nobody remove your number. Nobody remove your link. Nobody remove your points. You don't have, any day you do it, you end that day. And you keep earning. Nobody close your account. If these people log out and log in 2 years later, they are still there. You still be earning. The last time I registered people on Deriv was many years ago. And I'm still earning from people I registered about 5 years ago. I'm still earning from them today. And I've not traded. Many times I don't even trade. Like just recently, I started trading again. Like I went for break for more than 3 years on Deriv and I didn't trade. And they didn't close my account. I was still active. I was telling Aneka the other day, so why would they close my account? Say, because you are not active. Bro, I've been in systems. I'm not active there and I'm still earning money. Right? So this broker system CFD is like that. Except there is a very, very important reason why they have to deactivate your account. Otherwise, your account cannot be deactivated. So far activity is happening under your business, you can never be deactivated. All right, so see this now. Aneka registered 30 people under his link, directly under his link. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 30. Remember, I'm earning $5 from Aneka on every standard lot. And remember that Aneka is an aggressive trader. He trades like 5 standard lots every day. So Aneka's trade 5 standard lot per day is giving me $25 per day from Aneka's commissions. The broker is paying me $25 every day because Aneka is trading 5 lots every day. Aneka is trading 5 lots because he has a trading account, he has a trading tool, he has a trading activity from our community. So he's active, he's trading. Because he's active and he's trading, I'm earning $25 because of Aneka. Times 40 people on this call. Do the maths. First level. This can even go up to 6 or 7. Then Aneka does the same thing I'm doing. These people, Aneka is earning $5 from each of them. Let's say they are trading 5 lots every day, or even 10. Some people trade 10 lots daily. Some serious trader and serious activity. Let's say they are trading 10 lots daily. Aneka has people that are trading 10 lots every day. So it's earning $5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 25. Sorry, 5 times 10. I'm already getting tired, guys. 5 times 10 is 50, right? Good. So Aneka earned $50 from these people that are directly under him. Me, I'm earning $4 or $3, depending, from this second level. I'm also earning from their downline, 3rd level, from 4th level, from 5th level. Now, the magic in this is that the number of people in 2nd level are usually times 6 of the number of people in 1st level, if your 1st level are serious traders. So if the people you are registering, like first responder, they are traders, they have academy, they have businesses. If they are serious people, they will replicate the same business, and you find out that your 2nd level is usually times 6 minimum, sometimes times 10. So I'm saying that the 2nd level is higher in number than the 1st level. So if they are paying you $1 in 2nd level, the money you earn in 2nd level is usually bigger than the money you earn in 1st level. That's how a serious network looks like. And it doesn't stop in 2nd level. It goes down to 3rd level. It goes down to 4th level. It goes down to 5th level. Ladies and gentlemen, this is extremely exciting. There is no limit to how much you can make on affiliate business anywhere in CFD, anywhere in the digital space. Affiliate business is networking remain the easiest way for anybody to start from $0 and make $1 million. It's networking. Trading is good. The skill is good. The opportunities are good. Learn how to flip account is good. But what is gooder than every one of them is networking. If you are able to network the people in that business, there is nothing as good as that. So when I see a system that does not permit me to network, I get tired very quickly. And I understand, I'm sure you understand why I'm so tired of several systems right now. If they don't permit me to network, I get tired easily because I work, and I get tired. And I can't earn from the other people who are working. So it's frustrating. Like, it's like, what the heck? You mean after all this work, I'll keep working? No. I can't work like this. If a system can give me such level of residual income, it's going to last long. It's residual. I've seen this thing happening on StarTrader, and it's been going on very well on StarTrader. I've seen it also on some couple of broker. Like when I was in Capital Extend, we were doing multi-level in Capital Extend, and it was working very, very well. We made a lot of crazy money from it. So that's it. So somebody is asking a question in closing. Our time is up. We need to go. It's asking, how do we flip accounts? And I gave my camera is about going off. Just a moment, guys. Sorry, my phone is not charging and I'm getting a warning. Just a moment, please. Just a moment. I need to hear something. It's still not charging. All right, let me leave it like that. I will just round off. So the person is asking how to flip an account. I answered this question some days ago. Let me still answer it again. Flipping an account has to do with, number one, knowing the fact that you can lose the account. That's the beginning of flipping the account. You have to accept the fact that you can enter that trade, full margin, entering the situation and circumstance of the market will change and you will lose that account. So if you do not accept that fact, flipping an account is not good for you. So people who I recommend to accept that fact that they could lose the account are people who are making residual income, especially through the business of Forex trading, affiliates, mentorship, signal selling, selling of robots, copy trading. Time did not permit me to show you copy trading. You can do copy trading on this Taj market. Because of time, I could not go back to show you. I found out 3 high-profile, consistent profit trading systems inside the copy trading area. So if you are interested to copy trade on Taj markets, I will drop the link for those systems for copy trading. No, I will not drop it. Okay, I will drop it. I will drop it so that you can review the copy trading performance that I found out, right? That's very important, please. So back to flipping accounts. If you are not making residual income, I don't advise you to try to flip account. I've posted some of the accounts that I flip myself personally. I've also posted some of the accounts that my friends that I know flip, But what I have not posted is when I blow the account. I was trying to flip and I blow the account. I didn't post that one. What my friend did not also post is when he did not get it. When he blows the account, he doesn't post it. There's no need to post it. It's a lesson for you, the flipper, not for the public. Nobody wants to go out there on social media and put where he's suffering. Everybody wants to put where things are working well for him because you try to maintain positive energy, right? So there's nothing wrong in posting wins and not posting losses. But it's good to caution people about losses, and that's what I'm doing right now, right? So if you are not ready to lose accounts, don't even think of flipping accounts. And people who are ready to lose accounts, people who make consistent commissions so they can afford to take that risk. That's the first thing about flipping. Secondly, any strategy can help you flip an account. Just go all in when you have repeated severally a particular move in the market. And every time you have that move, the market is a bunch of repetition. The market repeats itself every day. You find something that always happens every day in the market, a particular move that always plays out. You already find out that move. Call your niche in the market. The moment you find out that move, go all in, open all the lot size on that move. Because you already know that many a times, out of 10 times, you usually get that wins like 3 or 4 times or 6 times. So, number 2, you know that, okay, you can easily be, you can either be wrong, but you'll be wrong few of the times, but you'll be right many of the times. So you say you are flipping accounts every Friday. This Friday, after taking your commission, you flip the $100, you lost. Next Friday, you got that situation again. You flip the $100, you lost. The third one, you flip it, you lost. The fourth one, you can flip that $100 to $5,000. It has covered the 3 losses of $100 that you have done. So that's the psychology of flipping. It's not that any trade you take can flip the account. There's no any trade like that. Any trade you take have 2 probability, wins or loss, no matter who you are. It's still a probability. But there is a high chance of probability when you have done it consistently, when you have a pattern that repeats itself, when you have discovered a pattern that repeats itself. Say, okay, this pattern that always repeats itself, I want to go all in on this pattern on this particular day. If I lose, I'll repeat it again whenever I see it again. If I lose, I'll repeat it again until I get the win of it. Because I know this pattern always plays out. But if you have not gotten that pattern, you need to learn a strategy that works. I have found strategies that work. One of them is Jason Brown 230. Jason Brown 230 comes on the call and he say, everybody, I'm buying now. This is the entry, this is the stop loss, take profit. We're entering now. And once he enters the market moves 50 pips. The least the market ever moves on Jason Brown call 230 is 30 pips. That's the least I've seen the last 13 times we have traded. Only 1 loss. So Jason Brown trade is what I've ever used twice. I just opened my lot. The moment the market opened US 30, we're already going in profits. That's how it has been. So more often than not, that's a flipping strategy for me, Jason Brown's call. Number 2, learning how he uses his scanner to do the market open, that high volatility movement in market open. Replicating it on my own trade using the scanner helped me to learn how to flip accounts. Number 3, the divergence, EMA crossing, SMMA strategy. I mastered that strategy and I applied it especially on derivative synthetic indices. And I found out that it has a high win rate. So anytime I see that strategy set up, I go all in. If I lose, no problem. If I see the strategy set up again, I'll go all in again. Because I know the 3rd or the 4th time, if it goes in profit, I'll make more than times 20 of what I have lost. Because I'm usually flipping always less than $100. Always less than $100. And when I have a win on that flipping, you'll be seeing like $2,000, $5,000. You know, it's crazy. Sometimes $3,000 from $100, sometimes $1,000 from $100, depend on the assets also. And depend on how far the price move, because you want a fast move. It's not a swing trade. You want a fast 30 pips move. You want a fast 25 pips move. You want a fast 50 pips move, and you want it to happen fast. You don't want to waste so much time. If it's going to waste time, maybe it has moved like 30 pips, then you move all your SL to your break even, then you hold the position. Sometimes something like gold, it will continue going to give you more money. Sometimes to come back and close at your 30 pips, and you still flip the account, maybe from $100 to $1,000, maybe. But if it goes more than that, it can give you from $100. That's an extension of that 30 pips. Can go to 80 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips. That one is just, you just trail it and you close in profit like that. That is how to flip an account. There is no other way to flip an account other than taking risk that this account can be lost. And on the alternative, I have a strategy that always wins. So I go all in. If I lose, I'll do it again. If I lose, I'll do it again. Another way to avoid losing so much is using demo accounts for us. My friend who started flipping and who just does flipping, one of my friends, he told me he used demo account for 3 months. He was just flipping back to back. He was recording all his flipping, recording the strategy, recording the entry, recording the exit for 3 months. How many of you can practice for 3 months on demo? Flipping account, just with demo for 3 months. Just to master all the candle movement at those particular times. London Open, New York Open, Sydney, Asian Open. The Asian Open, not Asia. Asian Open can be slow at times. The one that has highest volatility is New York Open. So London Open has some level of 25% pips, while New York Open has around 30 to 40 pips, especially on gold. So if you have mastered the art of understanding that movement, that first 40 pips during the market open, once you use demo to understand it, you master it in 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, you got your strategy right, you get a tool that will help you, then you get a live call that will also help you. The next thing is to start doing on live accounts. Then you start seeing how many times you can win out of 10. That's how you become a flipper. You get to a point whereby if you flip 5 accounts, you will lose only 1 and you get 4 correctly. You get to the point that you'll be that good. But you never get to a point that all the accounts you try to flip will all be in profits. It will never. Nobody is 100% correct in this market. Even George Soros, the blue account. This person is asking, he say, can we use 12x for copy trading? Yes, you can. You can use robots. You can use 12x. You can use copy trading. You can use anything you can do. The only thing don't lose 10% of the capital. That's all. If you lose 10% of the capital, you are out of the game. So to help you use copy trading on your 12x, I have selected 3 traders that are trading below 8% drawdown in the last 30 days, in the last 60 days, in the last 130 days. I selected them and I will send them to you. Just DM me, tell me to show you the trading solution that is less than 8% drawdown that you want to copy it. So if you just send me a message on my WhatsApp, I will send you those solutions. You can look at them. I also have a robot that I'm experimenting, I'm testing it. Once I'm done, I will convert it into MT5 and it's part of what I'll be using to trade these 12x accounts. I cannot trade it manually. I'm going to buy so many of these accounts and I can't be trading it manually. I'm a very busy person and I love teaching more than trading. So I need to have robots, copy trading and systems trading the various accounts for me. I make more money, I buy more accounts, buy for my wife, buy for my children, buy for myself, buy for everybody, buy for my dog. So I like opening multiple accounts whenever I have opportunities like this. Somebody is saying, for how long has tag markets been operating? I asked the question to the support too yesterday, and I asked them how long have tag market been in the market, and they answered me. They say for over 35 years, all the team, the executive of tag markets have been in the market for 35 years. So they combined their 35 years experience in the market to create this broker. I think January last year, so that's like 1 year plus now. So they are highly experienced people. They broke out from other brokers and they brought their ideas together to set up their own. It's like me now, James Ochima. I say I want to set up a broker tomorrow morning. If I set a broker tomorrow morning, you cannot say my broker is 1 day old. My broker is 11 years old because I'm combining all my 11 years experience in the market to run the broker. So the same thing, when they explain that to me, I say, okay, yes, I understand. A new system comes out of an old system because of innovation, and they tend to do well. Elon Musk came out from somewhere. And Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg came out from somewhere. Apple, the guy came out from somewhere, And when you start afresh or you start a new brand, you are not actually starting afresh. You are starting from experience. So all these guys working at the back end, they start from experience. However, I'm not holding brief for the broker. I'm not the staff of the broker. I'm not representing the broker. I am just showing you an opportunity I've seen, and I'm also testing it together with you. I've just funded my account today. I want you to do your due diligence. I want you to ask their support question. I want you to do every finding you need to find. Above all finding, Karpe Magani Goji is Hausa proverb that says the strength of any medicine is testing. So at the end of all this checking and checking, if you don't test it, you will never understand. Say the test of the pudding is in the pudding. So you have to enter inside, use it, and have a first-hand experience of what it is. It was when we were inside Handtech, using Handtech, that we really understood some certain things in Handtech that we did not know when we didn't join. When we did not join, we say, oh, it's an old broker, it's a good broker, everything is good. I'm not saying it's bad. But when we entered it, when we experimented it, we used it, we now had an experience of, okay, what is not okay, could be done better, what is not good, what is really good. We understood it when we're inside. So if you join us and test this system, you will know more about the system better. Somebody is saying, how long? Okay, I wanted to assess the details in the website, but I couldn't until I do KYC. Are they also brokers? No, bro, don't say that now. Just go on Google on your own. Just be searching for Taj Markets. Be checking different reviews. You will see bloggers review. You will see their website. Their website is different from their back office. Every broker has a website. Without a website, you can't run a broker. As a matter of fact, for you to be given an MT5 license to operate as a broker, you need to have a website. You need to be registered. You need to have a regulation. You need to have licenses. No, MT5 don't just give you MetaCode license like that. Dr. Willis just got MetaCode license for his new broker, W Capital. Before he got it took him over 6 months back and forth with MetaCodes. MetaCode won't just give you license to put any rubbish on MT5 for them. Before they give you that license, you must have done a lot of due diligence. A lot. I've interacted with the guys at MetaCode at a time we wanted to build a broker some 5 years back. Yeah, I can remember. One of my guy, Nick Akram from Cyprus. So the process is long. So for them to operate as a broker, they cannot just come from nowhere. They are actually from somewhere. So if you ask me, I can share some screenshots with you that I found. If you ask the support can give you more information. The support, I can also give you the support WhatsApp direct number. You can see it on your back office. There's a WhatsApp chat box there. There's a live chat. There's a WhatsApp chat. You can chat with them. You can ask them your question. They will give you access and information. They will give you their registration license. Today, somebody was asking me for their license. So when I asked support, he sent it to me. I sent it over to the person. So that is how brokerage is. Is there any particular broker you recommend to flip an account? Yes, there is. XNext. Why XNext? Because XNext allows you to deposit $10. Many brokers will not allow you to do that. XNext allows you to withdraw even $5. XNext allows you to trade in Naira, in cent accounts. XNext have more than 20 deposits and withdrawal method. More than 20. XNext allows you unlimited leverage. I was told there's another broker that allows unlimited leverage, but I have not used any other broker that have unlimited leverage, except XNext. All those multiple full margin opening of trade, it can only be done on XNext. You can't do it. You have limitation of leverage from other broker. So XNext can permit you to do unlimited. However, the unlimited comes by request. You request from the support, and they will add it to your account. So you now have unlimited leverage with condition before they give you that, because they know that is access to print money. So XNext without thinking twice. However, I have an XNext link. If we work together, always as a community, it's good we work together. I think it's much better. So you always get across to me, give me your XNext link. I want to set up an XNext account. I had that feeling that, oh, I'm working with this guy. So anything you are doing is like we are together in it. You are not the only one doing it. So if you have a challenge, I am always right there to help you. William, calm down now. Almost rounding up. All right. So that's it. There's no other question, and my time is up to 9 minutes past 8 just because of the explanation, Q&A. Guys, if you don't have a GFU account and you have a big trading account, you are wrong. What do I consider big trading account? Any account from $5,000 and above, either a prop firm or a normal trading account, is a big account. You should not trade it manually. You need to have tools, e.g., the GFU trading tools. Let me balance it. If you don't have a trading account, it's a total waste of time for you to buy the GFU access. GFU access is $300. Stop deceiving yourself. That's $149. It's just for you to test it. But the full access is $300. If you don't have a good trading account, when I mean good trading account, I'm talking about $5,000 funded account, $5,000 normal broker account. Least you can have should be even $2,000 normal funded account, normal broker account, not funded account, normal deposit account, not funded account, $2,000. That's the least. Because 5% of $2,000, okay, 10% of $2,000 is $200. So if you make 10% in a month, you have only made $200, and the subscription is $180. The remaining balance is for your data. So 10% of your trading profit for that month is just to pay subscription. What kind of business are you running? So you see why I said, if you have $5,000, 10% of, if you target 10%, it's conservative enough. It's even less than that should even be better for your account. If you have a $5,000 account and you target 10% profits, that is 10% of $5,000 is $500. So with that $500 profit at the end of the month, you could pay subscription $185 and you still have balance to take care of stuffs. And your account is still in good shape. So I can't imagine somebody have $50 account. And then you now buy GFU Access $149. Or they now start sending you signals. The highest you can put on your account is 0.01. You can't even do proper risk management because the account is too small. At the end of 6 months, you have not even made up to 20%, except you overtrade, over leverage. And any mistake you have when you over leverage, your account is gone. And you never determine to trade aggressively. So the only advice I have for people who are trading small accounts is to learn how to flip accounts. If you have small accounts, it's a total waste of time to do risk management. A total waste of time. The profit you will make if you do risk management cannot buy your data. So if you have small accounts in the $100, $200, forget about risk management. It's not for you. Just go and practice how to flip account. Take 3 months and practice it. Then just be flipping it. So how do you make money? Apart from flipping accounts, if you have small accounts, affiliates. As you are trading small, you are not relying on the profits of your small trading. Rather, you are relying on the expertise and the skill you are learning. Where you are making your money is from your mass affiliate system. That's how you make money when you don't have a good capital. So you build capital from the affiliate, and then you now start funding your account. If you don't have up to $10,000 in your trading account, I think you are joking in this market. It's a very big joke. You need to pay a lot of attention to your affiliate so that you can use the affiliate to grow capital and put in your account. Then the alternative for not having $10,000 is to buy a funded account. If you deposit $1,000 on this particular new broker we are testing now, they can give you up to $12,000, and that is good for your business. Instead of you just funding $100 in your account, and when will you buy private jets with $100? When will 0.01 buy you a Mercedes Benz? So, ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. I want to thank you for your time. I'm sure that I've been able to express myself in good faith. If maybe you don't really understand what I've said, please come back and ask me a question. If anything I've said contradicts what you have learned, I'm not in any way saying you are wrong. I'm only giving you my own perspective about this market, and nothing we have said on this call compels or solicits for you to invest anywhere, put your money anywhere, or get any ROI. Everything we have done here is just sharing of educational ideas and experience and entertaining you to help you know more about what is happening in this market. So don't say, James took me to do something, or James asked me to invite. I didn't ask you to invest anywhere. I'm only showing you opportunities that exist in this market and how you can take advantage of these opportunities. Also, not forgetting to let you know the risks involved in this opportunity, that this kind of opportunity can help you lose a lot of money. This is one of the ways you can lose all your capital. And I gave you examples of friends that have lost money, even myself too. So there are losses that comes with this kind of business. So you must know what you are doing. Ask people, get more people to ask questions, to verify, ask questions, come back to me to ask, meet other professionals. Then when you take action, you are taking action based on what you have understood and based on what you have known, and you are responsible for all your action. So the best I can do is to teach you, but the decision is all yours. Thank you so much for your time. My time is up. James Ochima is my name. We'll do this again next week, Saturday, 7 p.m. We'll relegate ourselves back to the WhatsApp group. If there's anything, come to the WhatsApp group. I'll be able to, share with you more in the WhatsApp group. If there is any inquiry, if there's any complaint, if there's any suggestion, if there's anything whatsoever, feedback. I love feedback a lot. We'll share feedback in the WhatsApp group. If you are watching us on YouTube, please come to the WhatsApp group. You get more updates, you get more feedback, you get the link, you get more guidance, and we can work together to grow you. It's not an easy thing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you stay along this side for a while, maximum you should stay around working together with this community is 90 days. If you're not making progress, then it means we're not helpful to you. So you can go. But if you are around us for 90 days, except if your village people are very, very, very powerful, there is no how you not make progress. Or except if you are not taking action. You only get the opportunity, you see what we are showing you, you just go and sleep. You don't take action. If you don't take action, you will not learn. I was not able to show you more about the copy trading. I was not also able to show you more about how to build the affiliates. I'll make a script, I'll send it to the WhatsApp group. Then I will relate with you on the WhatsApp group on the copy trading and how to build an affiliate, step by step, how to build an affiliate, activity you need to do to build your affiliates. I'll do that in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice night. My time is up. Thank you for